Hello, good morning. So this morning we're going to have one of the requested lessons, okay, of one of our followers. Shout out to Ralph Briggs Eugenio. Thank you for following our page. And this lesson is about finding the square, getting the square of binomials. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so getting the square of binomials. Okay, so it would look like this. B square. Tapos yung shortcut na formula, okay, it's gonna be a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. Now the question is, how did we get this? Okay, ang ibig sabihin nito, a plus b squared is like this. Okay, a plus b, multiply it with another a plus b. Okay, it should multiply by itself. Okay, so we have here what we call FOIL. Okay, FOIL. Ang F stands for first terms. So we have to multiply the first terms. A times A, that's gonna be A square. Okay? Yun na yun. And then itong O, outer, okay, outer terms, which means itong nasa labas. Mag-multiply itong nasa labas, no? So, A times B, that's gonna be AB. Now, let's go to letter I. Itong letter I stands for inner. Inner, yung mga nasa loob. Okay? These ones. So, B times A, that's gonna be another AB. And then, yung L, last. Okay? Yung last terms. So, ito, tsaka another na last doon. So, B times B, that's gonna be B squared. Ngayon, we have to add yung parehas, no? So, ito yung parehas. We have to add them. AB plus AB, that is dalawang AB. So, ito, yan na yun. Okay? Tapos, syempre, ito, yun na yun. Okay? And then, this one. Okay? So, that is how we got this formula. So, ito yung ifa-follow natin. Okay? Paano naman kung minus yung difference? Okay? So, A minus B squared. So, we're gonna have here A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. So, basically, yung ano lang, operation ang na-change, no? Yung symbol. So, how did we get this formula too? So, just like kanina, ang ibig sabihin ng A minus B squared ay mag-multiply din by itself. Okay, sorry. Pag naka-parenthesis na, automatic. No? Ganun. So, let's see. O, yung FOIL pa din, okay? So, first terms, A times A squared. Tapos, itong outer, A times negative B, syempre, negative AB. Okay? Inner. Yung inner natin, itong dalawa. Okay? Negative B times positive A, that's gonna be negative AB. Okay? Next one, yung last. Itong dalawang last na ito. Last terms. B times negative B times negative B. Remember pag dalawang negative, pag pinag-multiply, magiging positive siya. So, that's gonna be positive B squared. Okay? Now, as we said a while ago, mag-a-add yung dalawang like. Okay? Yung dalawang like terms. So, ito. Copy the symbol, negative 2 AB. Okay? That's it. Yun, dyan natin nakuha yan. Okay? And then, there. Okay? Okay. So, this time, gawa tayo ng examples. Okay? So, let's see for example. Okay, example number 1. Okay. 3x minus 4y squared. Okay? So, ang gagamitin natin is ito. Okay? Kasi nga yan. So, ang solution natin is a squared. Ito na yung a. Okay? Ito yung a. Ito yung b. Okay? So, a squared. Kunin natin yung a. Which is 3x. Both na ito mai-square minus, okay, lagay natin yung 2. And then, kunin natin yung a. A is, ito, di ba? 3x times b. Ito yung ating b. So, that's gonna be y plus b squared. Ano ang b natin? Ito ang b. Okay? So, 4y squared. Okay. Now, ang ibig sabihin ng square, the number or the variable multiplies by itself. Hindi 3 times 2, no? 3 times 3. So, this is gonna be 3 times 3. That's 9. Tapos, x squared. Okay. Ganun lang. And then, dito naman, okay, let's multiply ito. Okay. Ito. So, 3 times 4, 12. And then, saka natin i-multiply dito. So, 12 times 2, that's gonna be, okay, ilong cut konti natin. Okay, so, kopyahin lang muna natin yung 2. So, i-simplify natin to. 3 times 4, 12. Tapos, x times y, syempre, xy. Okay? Plus, 4y square. So, ang 4 square, ibig sabihin, ang 4 magmumultiply by itself. So, 4 times 4. Okay? So, 4 times 4, that's gonna be 16. And then, y square, syempre, ganun lang. Okay? So, meron pa tayong natitirang gagawin dito. Copy that kasi finalize na ito. Sorry. 9x square minus 2 times 12. That is 24 x y plus 16 y square. So, ang 3x minus 4y square, ito ang ating sagot. Okay? Let's go for another example. Okay? Number 2. Let's say we have 3z raised to the 4th power plus 5t raised to the 3rd power squared. Okay, so since it's plus, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay? So, the first step, a squared. Asan ang a? Ito ang ating a. Okay? So, we're gonna have here 3z 4th power. Don't forget yung squared. Okay? Square. Plus, sulat natin yung 2. And then a. Where is our a? Ito. 3z 4th times b 5t to the 3rd power plus b squared. Asan ang b squared natin? Ito. Okay? 5. Ganun. So, tingnan natin yung square ng a. 3 times 3, that's 9. Ngayon, Okay. Anong gagawin natin? May power na nga dito. May power pa sa labas. So, ang gagawin dito, ito na lang ang magmumultiply. Okay? Yan ang magmumultiply. So, we're gonna have z and then 4 times 2. Yung power sa loob, i-multiply sa power sa labas. Power to power ang tawag dito. So, 4 times 2, that's gonna be 8. Okay? Next one, sulat muna natin yung 2 dito. And then, pag-multiplyin natin ito. Okay? Just like kanina. So, 3 times 5, that's 15. And then, z 4 t 3. Okay? Leave it there. And then, ito naman, 5t to the third power squared. So, kunin muna natin yung square nito. 5 times 5, that's 25. And then, t to the third power squared. Anong sinabi natin kanina? Power to power ito. So, 3 times 2. So, ang magiging power na ng t is 6. Okay? O, meron pa tayong natitirang gagawin dito. So, this is, kita ba? Okay. So, we're gonna copy the a squared na ito. Okay na kasi ito. So, 9z8 plus 2 times 15, 30. Z fourth t 3 plus itong ano natin. Okay, there we go. So, remember guys, kapag may power sa loob, tapos may power sa labas, ang gagawin dito is power to power. Okay? So, mag-multiply yung power sa loob tsaka power sa labas. So, this is our final answer. Okay? Okay, gawa tayo ng another example. Okay? So, number 3 na example natin. 2c plus, may fraction tayo. 1/3 d squared. Okay? So, since it's plus, ito ang gagamitin natin. So, a square, asan ang a natin? Ito. Okay? So, 2c square plus 2ab. Sulat muna natin yung 2. Ang a natin is ito. Okay? So, 2c. b, ito ang b natin. 1/3 d plus b squared. Saan ang b natin? Ito. So, 1/3 d squared. Okay. Next one, square ng 2. 2 times 2, 4. And then c square. Next one, let's copy 2. Simplify muna natin ito, no? Ang gagawin dito, itong whole number to, tapos ito ay fraction. Ang gagawin lang is, itong 2, i-multiply lang dito sa numerator. Okay? So, that's gonna be 2. Tapos, kopyahin lang yung denominator. Okay? And then, syempre, c times d, c, d. Plus, 1/3 squared. Ano ang 1/3? Anong ibig sabihin ng 1/3 square? Diba sabi natin, it should multiply by itself. So, ang ibig sabihin yan, guys, is 1/3 times 1/3. Okay? So, that's 1. And then, 3 times 3, that is 9. Okay? So, ang sagot natin sa ang square ng 1/3 is 1/9. 1/9. Okay? So, 1/9 and then d square. Okay? May natitira pa tayong gagawin dito. So, 4c square plus, just like kanina, ito, multiply lang dito. Okay? So, 2 times 2, That's gonna be 4. Kopyahin itech. Third, CD plus 19D square. So this is our final answer. Okay? Ay, sorry. Hindi ba nakita? Sorry. Okay. So, ang ginawa na, how did we end up with 4/3? As we did here kanina, itong whole number, i-multiply lang sa numerator, no? Parehas dito. I-multiply lang ito dito. That's where we got 4. Tapos, kopyahin lang yung denominator. Okay? Okay. Another example, guys. Okay. Paano naman kung decimal? Okay. So, we have here 0.1 x squared minus 0.4y square. So, since it's minus, ito ang gagamitin natin, okay? So, a square, that means ito yung a natin, okay? Tapos, ito is power niya sa loob to, okay? So, don't forget yung original na power, yung square. Minus 2ab, 2, ano yung a natin? Ito, okay? So, that's 0.1 x squared. Ang b natin, for this one, 0.4 y. Plus b square, ang b natin, ito. Square. Next. Okay, 0.1 square. Ang ibig sabihin niyan, 0.1 times 0.1. Okay? So, 1 times 1, 1. 1 times 0, 0. Saan natin ilalagay yung decimal? Bilangin kung ilan yung decimal kay 1, 2. So, mag-count from the right. 1, 2. Dito yung decimal natin. So, that means yung 0.1 square, that is 0.01. Okay? And then, syempre, x. Anong sabi natin dito? Pag may power sa loob at may power sa labas, power to power. So, that's 2 times 2, 4. Okay? Next one, kopyahin yung 2. And then, mag-multiply ito. Okay? So, that's gonna be 0.1 times 0.4. 4 times 1, 4. 4 times 0, of course, 0. 0. Saan natin ilalagay yung decimal? Bilangin kung ilan ang decimal numbers. 1, 2. Count from the right ng dalawang digit, no? To the left. 1, 2. So, dito yung decimal. So, that means, ang 0.1 times 0.4 ay 0.04. And then, x squared times y, that is x squared y. And then, dito naman, 0.4 square. Ang ibig sabihin yan, 0.4 times 0.4. So, 4 times 4, 16. Okay, 4 times 0, 0 plus 1. Yun. So, saan natin ilalagay yung decimal? Bilangin ulit kung ilan yung decimal numbers. So, syempre, dalawa. Count ng dalawang beses to the left. So, 1, 2. Yan yung decimal natin. So, yung 0.4 square is 0.16, then y square. Sorry, walang ano doon. Square. Okay? May natitira pa tayong gagawin. 0.01 x to the 4th power minus, i-multiply natin ito. No? So, that's gonna be 0.04 times 2. 8, 0, 0. Ilan ang decimal number? 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. Okay? So, 0.08. 0.08 x squared y plus 0.16 y squared. So, ito yung ating final answer.